The best dash cams serve as evidence that a small device can protect you from potential big problems. Driving can be hazardous as there's no telling who you're sharing the road with and what kind of problems they could cause with a single wrong move. The last thing you need is for that same person to blame you when an accident occurs. Therefore, having a dash cam can help you prove your innocence and protect yourself from false accusations. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best dash cams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 6. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K Dash Cam is an excellent choice for those in search of a quality dash cam that is not too expensive. When researching dash cams, there are several factors to consider. Ensure that the video quality is satisfactory, especially during both daytime and nighttime recording. A good dash cam should capture clear footage for accurate documentation. Look for feedback on the reliability of the dash cam, including any issues with malfunctions, crashes, or data corruption. A reliable dash cam is crucial for ensuring that it records incidents when needed. Check for user-friendly interfaces and easy installation processes. Reviews often highlight how easy it is to set up and operate the device. Consider any extra features the dash cam may have, such as built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking mode, or collision detection. Reviews can provide insights into how well these features work in real-world scenarios. Assess the build quality and durability of the dash cam. A well-built device is more likely to withstand varying weather conditions and potential impacts. Check if users have had positive experiences with the manufacturer's customer support in case any issues arise. Finally, consider the storage options available and whether they are sufficient for your needs. Number 5. Nexar Beam Dash Cam. The Nexar Beam Dash Cam is an excellent option for you. It's super easy and intuitive to set up, and it works extremely well with the connected smartphone app. The ability to see your full drives and create clips from them within the easy-to-use app is fantastic, making it easier to find exactly what you need. There's no built-in screen on the dash cam itself, which makes it small and discreet on your windshield. However, for those who use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, it's a shame that you can't use them both together. You can still use the camera, but without the added functionality that the phone brings. For that reason, it's not recommended for that type of user. Number 4. Ring Car Dash Cam. The Ring Car Cam is a great option for those who want to keep an eye on both the interior and exterior of their car. It comes equipped with 2 cameras, one that records the front of your car and another that captures the interior. Although certain remote features require a subscription, the Ring Car Cam offers Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, a sleek design, and 1080p recording resolution, making it a solid choice. One of the standout features of the Ring Car Cam is its ability to allow you to speak remotely with whoever is in the car. While it may be a bit pricey, it could be worth it for those who frequently have to deal with auto insurance claims. Parents and app-based drivers will appreciate the interior camera's insights, while the voice-activated traffic stop feature provides an extra layer of protection in situations where someone tries to force their way into your vehicle, or when a police officer pulls you over. Number 3. Doa2 Duo Dash Cam. The Doa2 Duo Dash Cam from FUA Store is an outstanding piece of technology that stands out in the competitive world of car accessories. One of its most striking features is the 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear camera. This high-quality recording capability ensures that every detail on the road, from license plates to road signs, is captured with exceptional clarity. This level of detail is crucial for any unforeseen incidents or beautiful scenic drives that you might want to revisit or need for evidence. Moreover, the new 3.39-inch IPS display elevates the user experience by offering a crisp, colorful, and well-optimized video playback. This feature, coupled with smart voice control, enhances safety by allowing drivers to operate the dash cam hands-free, ensuring their full attention remains on the road. Another significant advancement is the integration of faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is a leap forward from the traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This improvement means quicker and more efficient video previews and downloads, making it easier to share your driving experiences on social media or store them for future reference. The Doa2 Duo also shines with its built-in GPS tracking, providing valuable data like vehicle speed, driving routes, and real-time geographical coordinates. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who love road trips or need to track their driving routes for professional purposes. The dashcam's superb night vision, enabled by the Sony Starvis sensor, ensures that nighttime driving is recorded with the same level of detail as daytime. Additionally, the dashcam's 24-hour or parking monitoring offers peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is under surveillance even when you're away. Overall, the Doa2 Duo dashcam is not just a recording device, it's a comprehensive car accessory that enhances driving safety, provides valuable information, and ensures peace of mind with its array of advanced features. The dedicated customer service and the 12-month worry-free service are the cherries on top, making the dashcam an excellent choice for drivers looking for quality, reliability, and advanced technology in their vehicle accessories. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini may be small in size, but it packs a powerful punch. Although it lacks a display or GPS, it produces high-quality images and offers voice controls for mid-drive commands. Like other Garmin dashcams, it can enhance your driving experience with features such as forward collision and lane departure warnings, speed camera and stoplight notifications, and more. Additionally, the Garmin Vault provides automatic cloud storage for all your recordings, ensuring their safekeeping. Its greatest strength, however, lies in its design, as the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is so compact that it goes unnoticed on your windscreen, reducing driving distractions. Number 1. Vandrew In 4 3-channel 4K Dashcam. The Vandrew In 4 is a state-of-the-art device that captures high-quality footage from multiple angles, providing complete coverage for your vehicle. This review will explore its key features, performance, and overall usability. The In 4 has a unique triple-channel setup, capturing video from the front, inside the cabin, and rear of the vehicle simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for rideshare drivers and those who want a 360-degree coverage. The dashcam supports 4K ultra-high-definition recording on the front camera, ensuring crystal-clear footage for accurate event documentation. The inclusion of WDR technology enhances the camera's ability to record clear footage in various lighting conditions, providing optimal image quality in both bright and low-light environments. With its built-in G-sensor, the Vandrew In 4 can detect sudden movements or impacts when the vehicle is parked, triggering recording to capture potential incidents even when you're away from your car. The interior-facing camera is equipped with infrared technology, allowing it to capture clear footage of the car's interior even in complete darkness. The In 4's performance is commendable, delivering sharp and vibrant video recordings during both day and night. The 4K resolution ensures that details are captured with precision, and the triple-channel setup provides a comprehensive view of the surroundings. The WDR technology effectively balances exposure in challenging lighting conditions, while the infrared night vision is a standout feature for monitoring the vehicle's interior during nighttime hours. The dashcam comes with a range of mounting options, and the compact design ensures it doesn't obstruct the driver's view. The Vandrew In 4 3-channel 4K dashcam stands out as a versatile and high-performance device in the dashcam market. Its triple-channel recording, 4K resolution, and advanced features like WDR and infrared night vision offer a comprehensive solution for drivers seeking top-tier video documentation for their journeys. There you have it, the absolute best dashcams. If this video resonates with you, don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. If you have a burning question, an idea for our next review, or just want to chat, drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. And if you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and catch you on the flip side. Peace out.